Hi everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. Have you ever driven a vehicle? Maybe you rented a vehicle and it came time to put gas in that vehicle and you said to yourself, which side is the gas tank on? Here's a simple little trick that works with every single vehicle to know where that is located. Right down here is where the gas gauge is on this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado I'm using. And right over here on the right hand side, you see that gas pump icon, and notice the direction of the arrow. It's on the left hand side. That's telling you that the gas tank and where you need to fill up is on the left hand side of this particular vehicle. Very simple thing to use, a simple tutorial, simple help. And while this may seem very simple to some people, when you run into that situation, you're going to be glad that you watched this video. I appreciate you for taking the time to watch, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to share it. A lot of people can learn from it. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.